Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Have you ever borrowed a book from a library?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about borrowing books at the library.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the library.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to borrow a book.
Of course.
I'm looking for an English learning book.
We have several books for beginners.
That's great.
Please follow me.
Thank you.
The English books are on this shelf.
There are so many books.
Take your time.
I will. This book looks interesting.
It's one of our most popular books.
Is it good for beginners?
Yes, it is.
Does it include listening practice?
Yes, it does.
Wonderful.
Would you like another book?
Yes, maybe a storybook.
Here are some easy English stories.
I like this one.
That's a good choice.
Can I borrow both books?
Yes, you can. Do you have a library card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
How long can I keep the books?
You can borrow them for 2 weeks.
Can I renew them?
Yes, if no one else has reserved them.
Great.
Please remember to return them on time.
I will.
Here are your books.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I can't wait to start reading.
How are the books?
They're excellent.
Have you started reading them?
Yes, I started last night.
Which book did you read first?
The English learning book.
Did you like it?
Yes, it explains everything clearly.
That's great.
I also learned some new vocabulary.
Excellent.
The storybook is interesting too.
What's it about?
It's about 2 friends who go on an adventure.
That sounds fun.
I enjoy reading a few pages every evening.
Reading every day is a great habit.
I agree.
What kind of books do you usually read?
I like storybooks and travel books.
Those are interesting.
What about you?
I enjoy history books and biographies.
Really?
Yes, I like learning about famous people.
That's nice.
Do you read every day?
I try to read for at least 20 minutes every evening.
That's a wonderful habit.
Reading helps me relax and learn new words.
Exactly.
I also visit the library every month.
That's a great way to discover new books.
I always find something interesting.
Libraries are wonderful places.
I completely agree.
What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions.
Can you remember some?
Borrow a book.
Excellent.
Library card.
Very good.
Return the book.
Perfect.
Renew the book.
Great.
Bookshelf.
Wonderful.
Read every day.
Excellent.
Learn new vocabulary.
Fantastic.
I feel more confident talking about libraries in English now.
That's great to hear.
Thank you for helping me practice.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for borrowing books at the library and talking about reading.
You also learned how to ask for books, use a library card, borrow and return books, and discuss your favorite types of books.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence aloud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.